Okay, everyone. I've written a post today regarding Bitcoin, so you can just check my Twitter account out, Tradenalytics. Okay, I wrote something about Bitcoin running out of time to establish its bullish behavior. So currently, what we are seeing in Bitcoin right now is a lot of weakness. Okay, so the current weakness of Bitcoin is being caused by a median line failure. You can see at number 2 right here. Okay, this is a failure of the median where the price does not touch the median line, which is this line here, when it goes towards it. Okay, so in the chart of Bitcoin, I can show you what's happening. So basically, this is the most recent wave. Okay, this is a B, C. Okay, and the reaction was right here. Okay, and it did not touch the median line. So if I were to draw a pitchfork again, so I'll show you right here. Okay, the tool is within trading view pitchfork. Okay, and you were to draw the A, B, C like this, you end up with a failure to meet the median. Okay, and this is a very bearish behavior. Okay, so normally when the price does this, what normally happens is the price goes back to the pivot C, which is currently a 59, around 59k. So yeah, so just currently I'm just watching Bitcoin and checking whether it would go down within this week. Okay, it seems like the price doesn't want to go so fast towards the 59k. It looks like it might want to dance around these two SMA. So this is the 200 hourly 4 SMA, and this is the 200 hourly 1 SMA. So currently it's just trying to dance between these two, before it makes its move towards the 59k. Okay, so normally when the price touches the lower parallel, which is this line here, okay, this basically confirms with a very, very high confidence that the median line failure was legitimate. Yeah, so when the price touches the lower parallel, it's more or less over at this point, and we can expect this price to get hit and perhaps even lower. Okay, but we have to analyze once the price goes down towards the pivot C, okay, whether the price will continue going lower. Yeah, so so that's one thing about Bitcoin. Very bearish currently, being launched by a median line failure. And it seems like this median line failure is causing a lot of problems with the bullish structure of Bitcoin. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is the wave volume of Bitcoin. So inside one of my posts in Twitter, this is the one. So I basically explained that the bearish volume of Bitcoin has been quite high recently. Okay, so I put a chart again. I think this is the one. Yep. So you can see this is the accumulative wave volume of Bitcoin. So every wave you see here is the volume is all accumulated. Okay, and at the very end of the wave, it prints out the total amount of Bitcoin being traded. Okay, and this is Binance, by the way. I could do this with other exchanges, but currently I'm using Binance. Seems like the most accurate for now. Okay, so you can see how heavy the volume is for the bearish waves. There's one of this 455, then 546. The bullish reaction has been quite weak recently. Okay, with 185k Bitcoin being traded in this up wave, and 108, which is very, very weak. Yeah, the amount of bullish volume within this up wave is very low. Okay, so yeah, I would say this is quite overwhelming. 546 is quite a severe number. Okay, and the current wave right now is 148,000 Bitcoin. It's still being formed, so we can't really conclude that this is the final number. Okay, but I would expect this number to rise. Okay, so the bearish wave count of Bitcoin, yeah, that the volume of the bearish wave is quite high currently. So that's not a very good argument for the bullish, the bullish thesis for now. Yeah, so that's all I want to say for Bitcoin. If you enjoyed this video and you learned a lot, yeah, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and also my Twitter account. That's where all my news are being posted before I create a video on YouTube. Yeah, so I'll see you next time. Thank you.